Alright, welcome back to Hotshot Adventures. Quick video here about this 11-gallon propane, oh my gosh, portable air tank. And basically what's going to happen is I move a lot of trailers, work with a lot of people. So I got this is a 12-volt Puma, 100% duty cycle air compressor. So that will come over here with a short hose to my in, and then that will keep the tank aired up. And then this is my out. So I got this obviously at Harbor Freight. You can also get this T at Harbor Freight. These ends here. I believe they also have a quarter turn valve, and you will need like a little adapter, which I didn't see anywhere at Harbor Freight. You'll have to go to a hardware store, get like a little, I don't know, this might be 2 inches tops, 1/4 inch NPT threading, I believe. So this way here, I pretty much kept everything factory. Because otherwise, normally this would be, there's a hose that comes with it, would be screwed into here. So this all screws in. I can open this up now that I turn this valve here. No air is expanding, so this allows me to air it up with either my air compressor, or I got my little Ryobi portable. I can still use that valve. So I've got 2 ways to air it up. And technically I have 2 outs if you want to look at it that way, but I call this is my in, this is my out. You know, it's still got the factory relief valve. If you air it up over 125, my little compressor in the bed isn't over 125 capacity. That's where it kicks out anyway, so everything lines up perfect. But 11 gallons plus the gallon on that tank makes airing up camper tires a breeze. Before I was using my little Puma there in the bed. It works great, but it takes forever. I just did a trailer this weekend. All the tires are basically flat. They had like maybe 20 psi in them. I'm like, it's going to take forever to get them all aired up to, 55, 60 psi. So having my compressor hooked up to this, I was able to knock out all 4 tires in, I don't know, just a few short minutes. Usually what would take me probably have taken me 20 minutes, took me half, maybe. Otherwise, I'd get out my Ryobi 18 volt. I'd hook it up to 1 tire. While it's going, I'd be airing up another tire, but I didn't even have to do all that extra. Having the extra 11 gallons of capacity just made everything quick and easy. Just wanted to share my little modification to the tank. It's definitely been great. I usually let it sit at about 100. It usually sits at about 100 because I have the regulator on my air compressor set down to about 100. Yeah, it's been phenomenal for at least what I do, helping out people with campers and just tires in general. For any job I'm at, I can run air tools off of it. If I need to get some lug nuts off, just got to be a little patient. So it's definitely been an asset for the cheap modification and the cost of the tank. There are other options out there for cordless portable air options. There's many other companies that make like onboard air type systems, but this is just kind of the one I've pieced together over the years, and so far it's been working phenomenal. So I just wanted to share that with you. So we're gonna talk to you guys later.